Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another video. Yesterday, Stephan, a popular investing and finance YouTuber, released a video called The Truth About $1 Dogecoin. The video was very informative, however, he left out a few key points. Okay, so here's what Stephan left out of his video. The first point, Dogecoin is not decentralized. It seems very centralized to me. We can come here and look at the Dogecoin rich list. And if we come down here to the bottom, you can see this is 101 people. And they hold 68% of all of the Dogecoin tokens. If we go another row up, you'll see that less than 1,000 people hold 79% of the Dogecoin tokens. So what that means is very few people, a very small group of people, own the majority of the token. Now this does tend to happen with cryptocurrencies, but this one seems to be very centralized in my opinion, to the point where that's kind of scary. The problem is that Redditors and influencers with their army of 12-year-old followers think that they can take on these billionaire traders. But I don't know if that's the case, because all your followers are 12-year-olds. And how much money are they really investing? Are they gonna put $10 in Dogecoin and hope to get rich? I don't know what you expect them to do. So there's the first thing. The second thing that Stephan didn't talk about is a Dogecoin versus Bitcoin chart. So here we have a chart that dates back to 2014. You can see that Dogecoin tends to go up and then down against Bitcoin a lot. So right now it is very high against Bitcoin. History shows that this would be a good time to sell your Dogecoin and get Bitcoin. You want to be buying Dogecoin down here in this range. You don't want to buy up here at the top. That it just doesn't seem like a good idea. If you think I'm wrong, go ahead and correct me in the comments. The issue is that a lot of these people that are influencers and even new people to the space are talking about Dogecoin versus USD value. But in reality, Bitcoin going up will carry a lot of these tokens up in value, regardless of the fundamentals, and Dogecoin could be losing value to Bitcoin, but still going up in USD value. It's a possibility. So what you need to think about is that you could be better off just holding Bitcoin rather than Dogecoin, because Dogecoin could just be losing value to Bitcoin. Normally, in cryptocurrency, what it comes down to is that you want to keep increasing your Bitcoin value. Bitcoin is the store of value for cryptocurrency. So traders are buying the bottom of these altcoins in this zone that I've marked. And then once it goes up against Bitcoin, it already went like 10x against Bitcoin. So if they traded one Bitcoin for Dogecoin down here, now when it's up here, they sell their Dogecoin. Now they have 10 Bitcoins. But let's say you bought into Dogecoin with one Bitcoin up here, and then when it comes down, you're gonna have 0.1 Bitcoins. So that's the game for altcoins. That's the reality of it. People are using altcoins to gain more Bitcoin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to drop a comment down below if you have any questions. I'll try and answer those. There's also a bunch of links down there for ways to earn free cryptocurrency so you can get started for free. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.
Okay. Don't lay your problems on the past.